Hi friends, welcome to my channel. This is the second video in my beginner series. I have the first video where we talked about the base chain and single crochet. Today we will learn how to do uh, half double crochet and double crochet. So double crochet is mostly used stitch in any crochet project. Yes, of course the other stitches are used as well, but double crochet is the one which is highly used. So let's get started. I will be using 5 mm crochet hook today and a 4 medium weight yarn with the recommended hook size of 5 mm. So this is Karen 1 pound, but you can use any medium weight yarn with a recommended hook size of 5 mm. So let's get started. Since this is a beginner video, I will be going a bit slow than as usual. So we will start with a slip knot, and how to do a slip knot is there in my first video. I will paste the link of the first video in the description so that you can go back and look in case you don't know how to do a slip knot. Then we'll start doing the chains, which is also present in my first video, and you can anytime go back to that video to see how to do the base chains. So you need to yarn over and pull through the loop, so this will create a chain. So we will do 12 chains for this in order to start for the half double crochet first. So right now you are seeing 1 2 3 4 5 6 chains on here. I'll go ahead and do 6 more. So this is the base chain that we have created for 12 chains. Now let's start with half double crochet. So for half double crochet, you will start on the third stitch from the hook. So this is the first, this is the second, and this one right here is the third stitch on your hook. You will go ahead and yarn over and then insert your hook into the third chain, yarn over and pull through the loop. So at this time you will have 3 loops on your hook. You need to yarn over again and pull through all the 3 loops like this. So this is your half double crochet. I will show you one more time. We will yarn over and go through in the next stitch, yarn over, pull through the stitch. At this time we have 3 loops on the hook. We will yarn over again and pull through all the 3 loops. So this is how your half double crochet will look like. One more time, yarn over, go through the next stitch, yarn over, pull the loop, then yarn over, pull through all 3. This is how a half double crochet is created. So go ahead at your own pace, practice half double crochet in each of the stitches. I will see you at the end to show you how to turn your work for the next row. So I will meet you at the end of this row. Complete this row with all half double crochets. Okay, so as you can see now, I have completed my row. Always make sure that you count your stitches in order to keep it uniform. So this one right here is our first half double crochet. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. We have 10 half double crochet. and the two chains that we skipped at the start was your turning chains. So similarly, now when we are moving to the next row, we will do two chains. Some people do count these two chains as the first half double crochet and skip the stitch and move forward. I tend to actually not count these two chains as your first stitch. So what I will do is, this is just the turning chains and we will not count it as a stitch. We will yarn over, go into the first stitch right over here and yarn over and pull a loop so that we have 3 loops. Then we will pull through all the 3 loops. So this is your first stitch. Now in the next stitch going forward, we will do half double crochet. So in the second row, when you are doing half double crochet, you need to yarn over, go through this next stitch. So when you are going through the next stitch, you need to go through this V, both the stitch loops, and pull up a string, pull up a loop, and then yarn over and pull through all 3. So let me show you one more time. Yarn over, go through the next stitch, pull up a loop, and then yarn over and pull through all 3. So this is how your half double crochet will look like. You can go ahead and finish the row, and in the next row we will see the double crochet, how to do a double crochet. Alright, so I have finished the second row for half double crochet. Make sure you count your stitches: 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, and this is the 10th one right here. So you have 10 half double crochets. Now let's go ahead and look for how to do a double crochet. So for double crochet we need to chain 3. So this is just the turning chain. So now we will go here in the very first stitch. So the chain 3 we need to skip, and we will go right here in the very first stitch. We will start with yarn over, go through that stitch, yarn over and pull up a loop. So until here the steps are same for half double crochet and double crochet. What will change from here is, you will yarn over and pull through the first 2 only, and that at this time you will have 2 loops on your hook. Then you will yarn over and pull through the remaining 2. So this will create a double crochet. So I will show this one more time. Yarn over, go through this stitch, next stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop. You will have 3 on your hook at this time. Yarn over, pull through first 2 only, and then yarn over and pull through the next 2. So this right over here is your double crochet. So one more time, let's do it together. Yarn over, go through the stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, then yarn over, pull through the first 2, then yarn over, pull through the next 2. So this is your half double crochet. Sorry, this is your double crochet. So this is the most widely used stitch in your any crochet projects. So go ahead and finish up this row with double crochet. If you want to look at it again, you can go back in the video and see how to do the double crochet. I will meet you at the end of this row. Alright, so I have done one row of double crochets over here, and we can go ahead and count our stitches together: 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. This one right over here is chain 3 that we use for turning. So I will show you how to turn this row for double crochet. we will chain 3, and this chain 3 we will skip and go in the very first stitch over here, yarn over, go through the stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop. We have 3 loops. Now yarn over, pull through first 2, and yarn over and pull through the last 2. So this is your first double crochet. So again, yarn over, go through the stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, then yarn over and pull up the first 2, and yarn over and pull up from the second 2. So this is how we create our double crochets. So these are the basic 3 stitches that we looked for beginner. So for single crochet, base chain and slip knot, it is there in my first video. In this one we looked through half double crochet and double crochet. I hope you like this video and you will practice and learn along with me. So thank you very much for watching today, and please like and subscribe to my channel. Happy crocheting.